right, so let's look at another one. This one's a little bit different. Notice it's saying sketch y equals -3. So now we have a different change of amplitude. We know the vertical asymptotes will be at pi/2 and -pi/2. So for the tan, if the vertical asymptote is at pi/2, this will be 2x equals pi/2. So let me write it over here so we can actually see it. So when I multiply each by 1/2, x is equal to pi/4, and 2x is equal to -pi/2. Well, obviously this will be -pi/4. So I know that my vertical asymptotes will be at anything over 4. Not drawn to scale, please excuse my drawing. Really not drawn to scale. Now, this -3, the first thing, a typical tan is going to look like this. Whoop, I thought I was on highlight, but I wasn't. It's going to look like this. But that -3 is throwing me off. So notice that I want to go up to 3 on these quarters. And that's going to go here, and then it's going to go down to 3 here. So the negative is going to flip it from a tan to kind of like what we would see a cotan, or just flip it over the y-axis. And then this is going to graph, it's kind of a long, funny graph. Okay, so remember at all these little quarter marks, we're going up to 3 and down to -3. So it's kind of a long, skinny, almost like a line. We know this is a vertical asymptote, quarter marks, up to 3, down to -3, quarter mark, up to 3, down to -3. Okay.